Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make
an AirPod that's also homemade in a cheaper price. In the market you will see there's the AirPod are good and it really works well, but the thing is that it is really expensive. So today I'm gonna tell you how to make a homemade AirPod without any higher price. So guys, it will cost only 2 rupees to make a homemade earbud. So guys, listen carefully. The first step is the most important steps that you need to incorporate while making an earbud. So guys, the first thing what you need to do is go to the shop and buy a matches, and it costs around I think 2 rupees or 2 rupees or only 2 rupees I guess. And there are different brands, and the thing which you need to buy the brand is Rhino. See it, it's Rhino, or it's 2-horn Rhino. So the thing you need to buy is with a 2-horn Rhino. The thing you need to buy is with a 2-horn Rhino. It contains it must contain a 2-horn, but if it has a 1 horn, then it won't work to make an earbud. So guys, what you need to do is take 2 matches and just follow the precaution what I tell you. So guys, let us begin the video without any wastage of time. Guys, so I have already arranged the thing to make an AirPod. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need a proper table. Let me show you how the table must look. The table must be of this type, means the table must be of the NCC dress color, and it must be torn. Torn. Actually, I steal it from my cousin, because my cousin was in NCC cadet. So guys, what you need is this type of table, and it must cover the whole floor. So guys, let us start the video. So guys, what you need is, first of all, you need a safety matches, and in that safety matches you need to take out 2 matches. And guys, what you need to do is follow the precaution. Just the thing is that just you need to bend this thing like that. It must be directly 90 degree. Oh no! Listen, it must be directly 90 degree. And this thing too, you must bend it in 90 degree. See properly. If it is not in 90 degree, then it won't work properly. So guys, the thing is that you must totally bend in 90 degree. Shit, sorry, it is spoiled, so you need to take another matches. So it must be totally 90 degree. Okay, so here it is 90 degree, and it must not break. It must be totally in 90 degree. And so here the initial velocity is 0, and you need to move it in the right position, which will change in the initial velocity. So this is the final velocity, and this will also be the final velocity. Just you need to move this like that, and it must be directly proportional to each other. Actually, it must be 90 degree both. In the left hand side too, it must be 90 degree, and in the right hand side too, it must be 90 degree. So let us start the video without, means we have already started the video, but let me show you how it works. So guys, what you need to do is, I'll show you right now. Guys, here we are back again with one thing. The thing is that you must need a PC. What is this? I don't actually know what is this. So I think you must get a socket in which you can charge your earpods. So what you need to do is just keep it like that. Okay, just keep it like that. It's too heavy, but I think you can manage it for earpods. So guys, what you need to do is attach this in the socket, and then you can charge here. So guys, let us attach this in the socket. I have already attached this thing in my socket, so I think we can now charge our earbuds. So I'm gonna show you how to charge. So guys, what you need to do is, actually it's too hot, but I can do some effort for you guys to make homemade earbud. So guys, I will show you from the front camera on how to do this. Guys, here we are back again, and the thing which you need to do is take a matches and charge it in this way. Charge it in this way. Okay, charge it in this way, and this thing too. You must leave this thing for 24 hours so that it can charge fully to 100%. So once the thing is charged, once the earpod is charged, you can use it without any problem. So guys, I think we should leave it for 1 day. So guys, let me see you tomorrow. So guys, I'll catch you tomorrow. What's up guys? So this is the next day of my experiment. So last day I told you that how to charge and how to create a homemade AirPod in a cheaper price. So today I'm gonna show you how it works. So guys, what you need to do is you need to sit down calmly, peacefully, and just use the AirPod and just insert your AirPod in your ear. So I'm gonna show you practically. Guys, I have charged the AirPod for 1 day, and today I'm gonna show you how it works. First of all, step 1, you need to hold this thing right like this. It must be of how much distance, let me tell you. Oh no! It must be of 5 centimeter distance. So just follow the precaution and don't try to unfollow this, or else your AirPods won't work. So after measuring to 5 centimeter, you must keep it in 5 centimeter. Okay, you must not make it in a higher unit or in the lower unit. Just the thing is that you must keep it in 5 centimeter. Okay, not 5 millimeter, it's 5 centimeter. Okay guys, so what you need to do, just insert this thing into your ear. So guys, once the thing is done, how to insert this thing? Insert it properly, okay, or else it won't work. Okay guys, so once the thing is done, okay, I have already inserted. You can insert it like this also, and you can even insert it like this also. It depends on your choice. So guys, I'm ready. So let us show the practically. So I think first of all I should make a call to my mother.
Spider-Man, it's Spider-Man.
Yes. Hello mom, what's up? Yes mom, I have already eaten my lunch. Mom, by the way, I'm just making a YouTube video on how to make an AirPod. So mom, just subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates, and don't forget to share. Okay mom? Thank you mom, and tell your friends also. So guys, I have talked to my mom, and it was very pleasant, and it can even beat the 4G network. So guys, you can make this at home on how to make an AirPod in a cheaper price. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and please don't forget to like,